NASDAQ this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price has formed a bullish break at about 17236, and the price rise in value, reaching the next support, next resistance level at 17614, and then the price dropped down. After that, the price tried to return back down, going below 17326, the support level, but the price on a Thursday has formed this bullish engulfing candle, indicating further rise in value. But we can see also the price has problems here because this confluence of resistance formed with this bullish trend line that is now acting as a resistance. And then on the Friday we can see how the price behaved, continued to rise in value, and the price also closed above 17614. On the weekly time frame, this is a bullish candle, and we can see what has happened after the previous week has closed as a bearish candle, which is a bearish breakout on the several levels here. Here the price will turn back up, which is a cancellation of this bearish breakout on the weekly time frame. Now on the monthly time frame, this is still bearish candle, and we have 2 more days next week to see how this candle will close. Will the month close as a bearish, or the price will turn back up above 18,000? Now for the monthly time frame for the next week, very important level is this one here, 18,000, which will indicate will the price continue to fall down, or the price will stay in the range area here, indicating there is a possibility that the price could go again above 18,500. So this is a very important level, and we can see on the weekly time frame, this is the one here. If the price next week continues to rise in value here, which is at least what I can see after the price makes a failed bearish breakout on the low side, just in this example, where the next candle has returned back up, indicating further rise in value in the opposite direction. So I'm expecting to see at least the price reaching an area around 18,000, and then we'll see what happens. Now on the daily time frame, this is here an area, and we can see at least what I can see on the Friday candle. This is continuation of the bullish momentum, and this is what I'm expecting next week, that the price will rise in value and reach in an area here around 18,000. So after that, we'll see what happens. Is there enough bullish strength to return back up and to cancel this bearish momentum on the weekly and also daily time frame? And we can see on the monthly a candle bearish that could close also below, indicating further decline down. But if the price goes up in the next 2 days, closing this month, also a bullish one here, at least a small bearish candle, this one here, a small bearish candle body here, this will indicate further a bullish momentum that is active on the market. So this is a very important level, and it is expected to see the price around this area, 18,000 at least, to start the start of this supply zone, and then we'll see what happens. If the breakout happens on the upper side, or the price decides to move down again, this will be shared inside the Telegram group, where the link will be below in the description. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.